Are you truly ready for the AI revolution? Or is it already disrupting your leadership approach in ways you might not have anticipated? The old playbooks and traditional strategies simply won't cut it anymore. We're facing an unprecedented shift, driven by AI's rapid advancements. But there's a powerful new framework emerging, specifically designed to not just help you survive this disruption, but to truly thrive in it. Discover how EEQ-powered change models, integrating emotional, artificial, and social intelligence, can profoundly transform your leadership style and entire organization. Traditional leadership models are crumbling and failing under the weight of AI's rapid and highly unpredictable shifts in technology and market dynamics. The sheer speed and pace of AI innovation completely renders top-down, rigid strategies obsolete before they can even be fully implemented. Ignoring the critical human element during AI integration inevitably leads to employee resistance, low morale, and eventual organizational decay. Every job will be impacted by AI, but mostly through augmentation rather than outright replacement, which underscores the vital need for adaptability in all roles. Please remember to like this video if you're finding these insights valuable, and subscribe to our channel for more expert guidance on leadership in the AI age. Introducing EEQ, Emotional, Artificial, and Social Intelligence. The essential trifecta that equips leaders to effectively navigate and master AI-driven disruption. Emotional intelligence, or EQ, is fundamentally the ability to understand and manage your own emotions as well as those of others, thereby promoting deep empathy and forging strong, lasting relationships. Artificial intelligence, or AI, leverages its powerful analytical and predictive capabilities to deliver precise, data-driven insights for superior informed decision-making. Social intelligence, or SQ, is the key capacity to effectively navigate complex social environments, purposefully build robust networks, and actively foster meaningful collaboration. EEQ masterfully combines human empathy with AI's analytical strengths, resulting in far better decisions, groundbreaking innovative solutions, and resilient organizations. Effective leaders must skillfully blend data-driven insights from AI with the profound emotional wisdom that only humans can provide. AI and emotional intelligence are rapidly becoming the new power couple in modern leadership, working together seamlessly for exceptional results. Please take a moment to comment below with your thoughts on EEQ, and specifically how it might positively impact your own organization. Building truly adaptive cultures requires shifting from outdated command and control structures to dynamic, collaborative, and continuous learning-focused environments. Practical strategies for success include actively cultivating psychological safety among teams and encouraging open experimentation with AI technologies. Measuring the ROI of EEQ reveals clear, tangible benefits such as boosted innovation rates, improved talent retention, and enhanced market agility. Organizations must intentionally cultivate a vibrant culture that fully embraces innovation, agility, and the opportunities presented by AI integration. Achieving the quantum leap demands both personal transformation for leaders and systemic changes across the organization for sustainable, long-term evolution. Real-world case studies demonstrate how visionary leaders have successfully embraced AI as a trusted partner, enabling them to make the transformative quantum leap. The future of work isn't solely about AI taking over. It's fundamentally about the enhanced human working powerfully alongside it through augmentation. AI may dramatically change the context of our work as leaders, but it cannot alter or replace the timeless essence of true leadership. Don't forget to like this video if it resonated with you, and subscribe to our channel for even more valuable content on intelligent leadership strategies. Immediate steps include enhancing your AI literacy through dedicated continuous learning programs and hands-on training initiatives. Develop your emotional intelligence through consistent practices in self-awareness, genuine empathy, and effective relationship management. Foster social intelligence by actively promoting collaboration across teams and strategically building strong, supportive networks. The key to success lies in embracing continuous learning, unwavering adaptability, and a genuine commitment to empowering and supporting your teams. Join the growing movement today. Step up and become a true pioneer in the transformative age of intelligent leadership. Don't forget to like, comment with your takeaways, and subscribe to stay ahead and informed in the accelerating AI revolution.